Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by and clicking on my video. My name is Ksenia and today we're going to be trying Dollar Tree makeup. I've been always interested in inexpensive ways to enhance your beauty. I thought to myself, why not? Let's try it, see if it works. I hope that some of these items that I picked up I will be using on a regular basis. Maybe not. We'll see. All the items I picked up are from Dollar Tree and all of them are $1. I went to 3 stores and I couldn't find a concealer and I couldn't find a powder and I couldn't find the brow pencil. I don't know if it's connected to the virus that's going on right now, people stocking up. The look that I'm going for today is more natural look. I want to start with my eyes in case there is a fallout. As you know, some eyeshadow can fall on the cheeks and then mess up all your makeup. Something tells me that this eyeshadow might fall out, but we'll see. I got the LA Colors 6-color eyeshadow all day wear. I like to smell everything. So I'm gonna go with the lightest shade. I used this shade, this one, and this one as well. Eyeliner, I got the LA Colors Auto Eyeliner Smudge Proof in black. Also picked up another eyeliner that is blue. So I kind of want to try the blue, I just don't know where to try it yet. So I finished applying the eyeliner. It looks more like a dark gray. I would like it to be a little bit softer and it will be easier to apply. It felt like I was applying like a plastic knife on my lid, which is not nice. And now we're gonna try the blue eyeliner, and I just realized that it is actually a marker. This is how it looks. Oh, okay. It's not bright blue. It's pretty. I wanted to apply it on the lower lid, we'll see. Maybe I can try it on top of the black liner too. So I put it on top and on the bottom. It's super liquid. It feels like it's also streaky. You're supposed to shake it? Yeah. I don't know how I feel about this. I try to go for natural. Now I don't even know if it is natural because it's super blue. Let's try to put on the mascara. This guy is from Wet n Wild. My favorite mascara is Hypnose Drama by Lancome and Monsieur Big. They just make my lashes super long and thick. So this eye has mascara on, this one does not. So I'm done with my eyes and let's move on to the face. I found this moisturizing foundation by Sassy and Chic and the color is light. The color might be a little bit too light. Oh yeah. It is super shiny, which I kind of like. I don't like the scent. It smells a little bit... Oh my gosh. It smells a little bit like a rubber, or I don't know. Definitely light coverage. So this is how my face looks after I apply the foundation. I didn't find a concealer in the store, so I'm not gonna use any concealer. I'm not gonna use setting powder since I couldn't find any either. It's a little bit sticky still, super shiny, so if you have oily skin I would definitely not recommend it. I don't like the scent. It smells a little bit rubberish to me. It makes me think about what they put actually in it, like ingredient wise, and I do not like using something that has bad stuff for your skin. But obviously we all know that high-end brands also put a bunch of BS. Moving on, I found this powder. It says pressed powder, so I will use this one as a bronzer. Oh, it has a puff inside too. Nobody uses them. I thought it looked pretty dark in the store, but now, oh yeah. I do like this powder. It gives me very nice definition, definitely good for lighter skin. The color is tan, and I just noticed I can't even close it. So like I said, I didn't find anything for my eyebrows, but I do have this e.l.f. pencil. It used to be $2, now I don't know, but it's very inexpensive, and I think some dollar stores maybe even carry e.l.f. line, so I will just use this guy. I couldn't find a powder blush, but I found this makeup stick by also LA Colors. It says it's a lipstick, blush, and eyeshadow. Recently I've been into cream colors. I've been obsessed with Glossier Cloud Paint. Wow, okay. Doesn't have much color. It doesn't smell that good. I do like the color though. It's like baby pink. I still smell it and it doesn't... It smells like old makeup. I'm sorry. I also picked up this little guy to top off my lips. I'm not a lip gloss person, so I don't know why I bought this. Oh my god, it smells like berries. Bubblegum. Oh my god. It turned super pink on me. But it is clear. I'm not lying. So I'm very surprised with this lip gloss. Some people might like it. I mean, it's cool that the color changes so quick. My first intent is just to remove this quickly. I still smell that old makeup color. So Dollar Tree makeup done. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. It was a nice experiment for me to try it out. If you like this video and if you want to see more videos of me, please click on the subscribe button.